What's up guys, it's Matt here, and these are the 4 apps that every mobile photographer should be using in 2018. So with that being out loud, let's get started. Number on the list is an app called Unfold. It lets you create beautiful and engaging stories with minimal and elegant templates. To see this app in action, you should definitely check out Alan Falander. He uses it often to achieve those high standards in his stories. When you open up the app, you're greeted with this page. To start editing, tap on the add icon and set a name for your story and tap on create. From there on, it's pretty straightforward. There are 4 sets of templates in which 3 of them can be only used by purchasing them. My favorite template is Classico 2, which includes 15 templates for 65 Indian rupees, and I think it's worth every penny I've spent. And next one on the list is an app called Distortion. By this time, you've already heard about this app. If not, this is a one-of-a-kind app which lets you apply an overlay on your images. The user interface is pretty simple. Once you input your photos, you're greeted with a bunch of effects like light hits, shimmer and rain, etc. You can change every aspect of the overlay. You can change the saturation, opacity, even the color. And you can only add 3 overlays in a free version, but if you want to add more than that or need some new overlays, you should be buying the premium version. The free version should be fine if you had to ask me, unless you need that full library of effects. Number 3 on the list is an app called Nebi, which lets you add traditional film filters, and if you're into 35mm film look, man, this app is your game. It includes a range of real and natural light leaks created with 35mm film and instant film to give that filmy texture. Also, you get some really high quality bokeh elements too. Moving on, we got an app called Curator. What's so special about this app? Well, it's a gallery organizer which uses artificial intelligence to give the photos a tag to separate them into a folder for ease of use. In the case of mobile photographer who takes most of their pictures using a smartphone, this really helps them to keep their images organized. And that's been it. I hope this video helped you somewhat. It's been Matt. See you another time. Peace out.